Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change password on Shopbase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shopbase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the first screen here, we have the home, orders, products, we have the fulfillment and analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, the online store, and your shop in the bottom left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change password on Shopbase. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, log into your Shopbase admin, go to your profile page and click on your name in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then select profile from the menu. So as you can see, we have all of these things, select profile. Now, when you have selected profile and when it brings you to the profile section, you in the password reset section, click change password. So basically, when you go to the region of the password, so you click change password here, enter your new password, then click save changes, and of course, confirm them. Once the password is successfully updated, you will receive a notification email. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.